today's video I'm going to talk about how much time and experience I have making shootings. So let's start. When I was younger, at 7 years old, at 2013, I made my first shoot and it was for Decathlon. I love it so much because it's my first shoot and it's like all new and with a lot of cameras filming me, and I don't know, I love it so much, and it was my first shoot and I'm so proud of the result. Then my second shoot was for the TV, Barcelona's molt, and I like more make shoots for the TV than a physical shop, because in the TV you can see you more than if you are in a physical shop. So I love it so much. And then a part of the Barcelona's molt, I make Nesquik, Nissan, etc. and more. Then a part of make shootings, I make getaways too. I make like, for example, 080, 080, Boboli, Condor, Desigual, and more. And I'm so happy to make this, to make shoots, photos, getaways, because it's a part of me, a part of my life, and I don't know, I'm so proud of me. So I hope that you like it so much, and see you in the next video. Bye!